I found that being a double major has been really beneficial for me. I found that they go hand in hand, and I'm learning the business side and I'm also learning the skill set side of nonprofits, and I'm also learning like the technology through both. So I found that I was able to learn a lot from one major that could help the other. I found that the internship benefited me because I really found what I wanted to do, and it's really solidified my passion towards the nonprofit sector. It really makes you a responsible person because there's not somebody always there behind you telling you what to do. You know, you have to figure things out throughout, and that's what I like to do in a job. I don't want this 9-to-5 job where it's straightforward. You know, I have a lot of opportunity to learn a bunch of different things and do a lot of different things. There's so many things that you can learn and so many like hands-on life skills that you're not going to get in another major.